How's it going, guys? Adam from Clayton Off-Road, and today we're going to show you our two available track bar brackets for the Jeep Wrangler TJ or LJ. So on the right here is our track bar bracket. The part number is 4500420. This is a 5/16 laser cut bracket. It does bolt into the factory location, but this is a weld-in bracket. So this bolts in here for alignment purposes, and then this kind of notch out will go wrap around the frame. If you're kind of looking at the front of the vehicle, it'll end up being installed like that. But so basically you bolt it in, snug up that bolt, and then it should be welded around the factory kind of cast part, and then around the frame inside outside. It's designed to use 2.5-inch forged Johnny joints, 9/16 through bolt. Basically, you can use it with our part number 4500200. When you do a track bar drop bracket, so this does lower the location, we also recommend using a drop pitman arm. The drop pitman arm part number is 2400100. This drawing is available on our website. This gives you some more details, dimensions, but just a very sturdy bracket for the TJ or LJ to help lower the track bar location and flatten out your track bar and steering angles. Now this is our TJ bracket. Now this does not lower the location. This is more of a custom setup we did a few years back. This works great for customers running much larger axles, Dana 60s, 9 inches, something like that, or a lot less lift. So this is more of a simple 1/4-inch bracket. It's kind of properly angled, so it will sit nicely on the bottom of the frame rail there and follow the angle down. But this one actually has you cut off the factory cast mount and moves everything up as high as you can. Still uses that 2.5-inch forged Johnny joint, but this is more of a custom builder application, so you can kind of slide that thing up and down the frame. And then most of the time we suggest using one of our custom track bars, because at that point, if you're doing a custom Dana 60 9-inch, there's different widths and lengths and heights, angles depending on your steering. So just a simple place to start to get you a nice bracket on the frame. So if you guys have any questions, check the website for more details or give us a call.